Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into the world of EPUB files and a nifty utility called epub-utils. Now, if you're an avid reader, a digital publisher, or just someone curious about how digital books work behind the scenes, this episode is for you. So first off, what exactly is EPUB? Well, it stands for Electronic Publication and is essentially a file format that allows you to package up an ebook. Think of it like a digital container, neatly organizing text, images, and metadata. This little bundle is what you read on your e-reader or tablet. But how do we manipulate these files? That's where epub-utils comes into play. Let's paint a picture here. Imagine you have a library full of digital books, and you want to find information about the title, author, or even the structure of these books. Wouldn't it be cool if you could just pull that information at your fingertips? With epub-utils, you can do just that. Now, here's the lowdown on how this Python command line tool works. You can extract metadata from your EPUB files, such as the title, author, and identifier. I mean, how neat is that? You can visualize it as being your own personal librarian, retrieving book details in an instant. To get started, you simply need to install the package. Then, whether you're using it as a command line tool or as a Python library, it's super user-friendly. For example, if you wanted to inspect the container.xml of your EPUB file, just type epub-utils yourbook.epub container, and voila, you can check out the contents of the container. Or if you're curious about the package OPF, which is a fancy way of saying the overall structure of the book, you'd use epub-utils yourbook.epub package. You see, with just a few commands, you can explore the table of contents, or even delve deep into what's tucked away in the package metadata. Have you ever wondered how ebooks keep track of their chapters or authors? This is how. Speaking of which, when using it as a Python library, it makes life even easier. Let's say you load an EPUB document. You can access the container metadata and print out details like the package file location, title, author, essentially everything you might need for your digital library management. Now, for those who might find tech stuff a bit daunting, fear not. The beauty of epub-utils lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a coding whiz to benefit from it. Whether you're a tech beginner or a seasoned developer, its straightforward commands make it accessible for everyone. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on some key insights. EPUB is an essential format for ebooks, and tools like epub-utils empower users to interact with digital books effectively. From extracting metadata to inspecting the structure of the book, this utility is a game changer in managing our digital reading experience. And that about sums it up for today. If you've ever been curious about the inner workings of ebooks or how to manage your digital library, I hope this episode has shed some light. Remember, the next time you download an ebook, think of all the structure and data behind it, and maybe give epub-utils a try. Until next time, keep exploring and happy reading.